The entire trick to today's game with the teams as close as they are is to get your speed to be a weapon. Take the puck out of their hands as quick as possible.
Thanks very much, Ray. Rugla's have control of the puck at center ice. Gains the blue line. Terrific challenge, outstanding save.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
With a wrister, gloved. Held there for a face-off coming up next. Clean win on the draw. Rugla's battling along the boards.
Well, let's hope that the game picks up in pace and energy a little bit here, boys, or we're going to lose you guys. You got a pillow upstairs that you can lie down on.
Lin Pings carrying on in the defensive zone. That puck still on his stick at center ice. Just above the crossbar.
You have to hit the net in that area.
Rugla start the rush up ice. He gains the zone, and possession has changed. Brilliant move on that pass. Big drive, save. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. Pass cut, might go the other way now. Rugla's lugged that puck along the boards. Whoa, what a play! And in their own end, hanging on to it. Lin Ping's controlling play now up the wing. He moves that one ahead through center. That puck's loose, good defense. Good job with the poke check. He gets that pass ahead in stride. That one's deflected. Lin Ping's got possession in their own end. Shot off the post. Moves it to the corner. In the slot. Oh, what a terrific save in close.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Tremendous pressure. Skates out with it. Pressure mounting here. Got a piece of it with the glove. Nice little lead to Carlson. Waits with it. Picked off. Rugla's looking to head man up the wing. Terrific poke check to break up that odd man rush. And so now a penalty will be handed out. Lin Ping's got 2 on this one for tripping.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. The clock is bled down to the last minute. Cranks a shot. Score! A power play goal.
Time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
It looked to me like he had stopped this shot. He had a big chunk of it, but it worked its way into the net.
Rugla's have gotten the first goal of the game late in this period. Will there be more? And they've won the faceoff.
First period. Rogo BK goal scored on the power play.
Lin Ping's in control of the puck in their own end. Continuing now along the boards. Waits from the corner.
18 minutes, 59 seconds.
From the outside. Magnificent glove save. The first frame is done. Only 1 goal scored. Lots of time left to play.
Everything old is new again. If you wear your vintage jersey to our next game, you'll receive
The difference in the game is just one goal, and it came late in that period. Will it springboard to something more in the second? We'll see, but for now, we go to break. Puck dropped and the clock moving in the second period. Broken up well with the poke check. Takes that pass with a drive. Shot, big point blank save there.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Offside is called. Somebody got over anxious there. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Gains the zone and looks over his options. With a blast! Great shooting lane. Wonderful chance was set up, and the pass just goes wide. That's a good, solid poke check. Goes back deep for it. Lin Xiaoping's moving well through the neutral zone. Shoots it on. Got a piece of that one. Lets it go. That hits somebody. Up the wing and moving well. On the outside, a shot. Puck covered, whistle blown. Just under 7 minutes played here in the second. It's a 1-0 game. Nice face-off work. Lin Xiaoping's up the wing settling things. And play stopped because of an offside. It's a face-off win. May not seem important in that territory, but they have possession. Using the point, he's got it. Lin Xiaoping's in their own end, hoping to make a play to center. Rutgers with possession in the defensive zone. Pushing it on up the wing. Shoots. They score!
Shooter had a couple of different options here. He could pass or shoot. He decided on the latter and beat the goaltender clean.
I don't know what he's going to do with that one, Edzo. That thing is delivered to perfection.
Rutgers have now built a lead of 2. Perhaps they can build on it even more before the end of the second period. And they've won the neutral zone face-off. Lin Xiaoping is in possession now as they move up the wing. Tip to the net. Oh, a close call there.
There's not really much place to go with the shot. He's trying to be perfect. He misses, and the puck rings around the boards.
Into the end of attack. Puts one on. Sticked away. Lin Xiaoping's got it back in their own zone. Rutgers leave their own end. And they are in. And play is stopped for a penalty. Lin Xiaoping's given a minor here for tripping. Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. Beat him on that one. He's got that point pass. With a shot. Oh, a save. Score! What a power play these guys have. Rutgers have built an enormous lead, and we're still in the second period. And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. Passing one off now to Colbert.
And by number 8, Jesper Williamson. Time of the goal, 13
Up to the point.
28 seconds.
On through the corner. Icing is the call. A little under 5 minutes remaining here in the second. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. Good job on the draw. Lin Choping's trying to work it hard along the boards. A shot. Great blocked shot. Lin Choping's carrying on along the boards. He drives toward the slot. Takes it up that side. Not a free puck now. The play has been blown dead. Hard to understand why at this point.
So often a player will slide to block a shot. Part of that is because you're out of position. This block standing up is textbook.
Good face-off win. Takes that pass up the boards.
1 minute left.
Into the last minute of the second period. Shoots one. Napped by Roy. Rutgers continue on at center. Tries to get it on net. That's 2 periods in the books. 1 more to go, but a rest comes first.
Be sure to get next year's.
It is the third period, and we are underway. Lets it go. Grab.
Oh, if you're a shooter, you don't want to see the goaltender flash his glove like that.
Defensive zone win. Great job with the neutral ice interception. He's got it. Pass up that right wing, and he's got it. Shoots. They score! They only trail by a pair.
Absolutely a great shot, Edzo, but the goaltender dropped down just a bit quick, left the top of the net exposed.
Lin Choping's goal gets them to within 2, and we are in the third period, and there's still time for them to strike back. Solid win at center ice. Now what?
Mathis Olin, assistant.
Propelled to Connolly. Oh, a save.
Time of the goal.
Oh, it's there. Squeezed for a whistle.
This game has really started heating up, and it's carried over to after whistles.
Just under 3 minutes have been played in this, the third period. Rutgers' 3-goal lead has been trimmed to 2. Are they reaching the fork in the road? Are they getting nervous? We'll see. Lots of time left. Gains the zone. Got it right back. Moves it to the corner. Puck covered, whistle blown. Solid, clean win. Rutgers controlling play now through the neutral zone. Turned a shot on net. And a save. Lin Ping's back in its own end, trying to work forward. Nicely into the zone. Back on his stick. Terrific point-blank save.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Rutgers have it up the wing. Scooped up. Oh, and the pass wouldn't go. Holds in the corner. Shoots. What a reaction save. Trying the probe up the wing. Oh, look at this. Oh, poke check saved one there. Looking to headman up the wing. He's in on an onside play. Got his stick on it. Hammers one. Great chance, but he missed.
Having a heavy shot like that is great, but you got to hit the net.
He's alone. They score. It's only a one-goal game now.
He had that look of no doubt he was going to score on that breakaway.
Man, the top glove, Edzo, was wide open. He drops into a butterfly. You could throw a football in there right now.
Linköping's deficit is only one because of that last goal. Let's see if they can tie it up here in the third. And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it.
Assisted by number 9.
Thinking maybe his goalie's got a better idea. Closer to him now.
10 minutes, 53 seconds.
Makes that play deep. A backhand shot. Wrist one. Score! Do you believe these guys? Still some time, but not much.
Roy's quick flick of the wrist put this puck in from the high slot.
Edzo, this has got to be a great shot because from my angle, there doesn't look like a lot of net. Even with the goaltender down, he seems to have most of it covered.
Linköping's tied the game here in the third period. Every shift will mean a lot now. Neutralized face-off win.
Scored by number 10.
Linköping's in control of the puck in their own end and readying an attack.
By number 18.
Seeks the corner.
Time of the goal, 12 minutes, 17 seconds.
If we had games like this more often, nobody would be talking about how difficult it is to score goals anymore in the National Hockey League. But as it stands tonight, this is a goal after goal after goal game.
And the face-off's won. Onside. Using the point. Wonderful stop.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Linköping's on the move through the neutral zone. Has it picked up. Looking for options along the side. Can't get a shot on. Just a backhand. Linköping's in control of the puck in neutral ice. Great shooting lane. Big save with a glove. I think it changed direction there. A little under 3 minutes remaining. A hockey game is one of lead changes, and this one has seen its lead vanish. An enormous defensive face-off win. Rutgers have it along the boards. Pass ahead, collision. Puck covered, whistle blown. That is a large win by the defensive centerman. Congratulations to him.
In the third period.
Rutgers wheel it up the wing. It's tied late in the game. Who's got in front of another one?
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you got to find a way to put the puck in the net.
Sauced big time to Larson. Puck loose. Good defensive positioning there. Chip to Connolly. And along the wing, he still has it. Smart recovery by Larson. Lin Xiaoping's moving the puck through center ice. A shot. Finally lifted back out so they can get some fresh troops out. Looking to Roy. Lin Xiaoping's in control of the puck up the wing. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Lets the shot fly. You cannot have given more than these players have, and yet they will be tested for at least one more shift before we have a final score. Roy's goal was the last tying goal possible in this game because we're going to end it in overtime sometime in a moment.
To reserve your seat in one of our extravagant luxury boxes.
Sudden death overtime is underway. If nobody scores, a shootout will be next. It's an onside play. Snaps a shot. Oh, stick save. Slid to Colbert. Oh, what a break. That shot hit somebody. Just over 3 minutes still to be played here in overtime. 6 goals in this game so far, divided in half. To the point it comes. Terrific shot, but a save.
Goalie's looking around the screen to try to find the puck.
Gets across, looks over his options. Shot on. Save! Dishes it back. Up the half wall. To the point with it. Passed across point to point. Big drive. It's off his pad. Lin Xiaoping's got it in their own end, driving toward the neutral zone. Pushing it on through center ice. Looks from the corner. And the pickup. Rudla's continuing on along the boards. In all alone. Shoots a wrister. A magnificent pad save. Lin Xiaoping's got it and moving it through the neutral zone. Flings it. Oh, he had a great chance to shoot there, and he did, but it was answered by the glove.
As the chance was generated, both benches stand up. They think it's over, but it's not. What a stop.
They win the draw. Now can they get it out?
1 minute left.
Right near the line. Can he keep it going? A shot. Score! And the overtime is finished. And the horn is sounded, and this one goes down into the books. Overtime is an extra slice of pie. Tasted pretty good to everybody watching tonight, except the loser.
I'd prefer banana cream, Doc.
Terrific contest. Two teams gave their very best. See you next time.